Looking for the ultimate kitchen upgrade? Today, we're breaking down 5 top-rated cookers, from high-tech pressure cookers to massive pressure canners, so you know exactly which one fits your routine. Product 1, Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. First up is the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. Pros: it's super versatile with 10 cooking functions, preheats 20% faster, and features a gentle, whisper-quiet steam release. Cons: the multi-option screen has a bit of a learning curve if you're new to electric pressure cookers. If you want one smart appliance that does it all, from sous vide to yogurt, this is your best pick. Product 2, T-fal Clipso Stainless Steel. Next, for stovetop traditionalists, the T-fal Clipso. Pros: it cooks up to twice as fast, works on induction stovetops, and features an effortless one-handed easy open lid system. Cons: since it's a stovetop model, it lacks automatic timer programs and auto keep warm functions. A rugged, straightforward classic for cooks who prefer traditional stovetop control. Product 3, Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1. Third on our list is the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 in blue macaron. Pros: it has a wide 9.5-inch surface for optimal searing and a PFAS-free removable pot designed to serve right at the table. Cons: at nearly 16 pounds, it takes up a solid chunk of counter and storage space. Perfect for meal preppers who want maximum power and seamless table serving. Product 4, Presto 16-quart aluminum pressure canner. Number 4 is built for big batches, the Presto 16-quart pressure canner and cooker. Pros: massive capacity built for home canning and preserving large amounts of meat, poultry, and vegetables. Cons: it's strictly manual and far too large for quick, everyday single-serving dinners. An absolute powerhouse for homesteaders, preservers, and batch meal preppers. Product 5, Crock-Pot Design Series. Finally, the Crock-Pot Design Series 7-quart slow cooker. Pros: features a gorgeous desert sage green look, programmable timer up to 20 hours, and a travel-proof cook and carry locking lid. Cons: it's purely a slow cooker, so no high-speed pressure cooking here. The ultimate set it and forget it choice for low and slow comfort food. Check the links below to pick the perfect cooker for your kitchen, and don't forget to like and subscribe.